Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about and we're going to be looking in my laptop in a second about the most underrated products onto the Redbubble that could be applied to other print-on-demand websites as well. So we'll be looking at the products that are quite underrated and are still selling well, and how we as artist, a designer or a print-on-demand seller, how we can take an idea and advantage from these products and can make more money. So I'm going to be talking about such products and what are the design ideas that are popular on such products and how we can make money on that. So let's get straight with today's video. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, I really appreciate that. And if you want more such videos, consider subscribing because we'll be uploading more such videos. And also guys, we have a bunch of the free resources, the freebies. All the link is in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, go over to the freebie section, download all the graphics, the textures, patterns, KDP interiors, and you can use them for your commercial way, like because it is a full commercial license. And make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding each month also. Now let's forward to my laptop and we're going to look at the Redbubble and the most underrated products. Although I have made one more video talking about most underrated product, I think a week back or maybe more than that. I'm going to leave that in the card section above. You can check it out. But today we were going to look at some other products. In that video I covered like 3 to 4 products, but today I will be covering some other products that are also quite underrated. And we can take an idea and advantage that, because it's not just about t-shirt selling or sticker selling. It's not about these few products that are selling. There are so many products that are selling well on these print-on-demand websites, which are quite underrated or not many people are utilizing it. So we can utilize it to make more money. And yeah, so let's get straight with it. On the Redbubble, so I'm gonna hover over to the section. We're gonna look at those products. So the clothing is quite popular, and I'm gonna just go and see that section which I will talk about in a second. Is first product is the tapestries. So we're just gonna hover over to the tapestries and we're gonna see what are the different kinds of designs that are selling well in the tapestries. Specifically 65,842 search results for the tapestries. That means there are the more than 100,000 search results or maybe a million search results for the stickers, but for the tapestries it's only 65,842 search results. That means this product is quite underrated. Not many people have utilized their design specifically for the tapestries. They have just put it for popular products only, but tapestries do sell well, especially the patterns, the textures. These kinds do really well. Look at this, the pink sky tapestry. This is kind of like a texture. Somewhere you're gonna see a pattern, somewhat like a pattern. This is just a simple design over here, just the painting of the scenery. You can even have a picture. If you're a photographer, you can just place your pictures. So these kind of designs are selling well. Even the code-based designs are also selling well. That's a text-based design, the good vibes only. So you can see this is a simple text-based design, but you can utilize it guys. You can see there are the different kinds of designs. You can also see this is the simple text-based design. The people have just typed a simple text and just place it on the tapestry. I think that this product specifically made for this design, specifically made for this product only. Next, this is the texture patterns. This is sceneries. These are the most popular. Even the text-based are also popular. So I've shown you that you can use that. Even the map-based, like the geographical locations, you can create the different colored maps or different kinds of geographical locations and what like that, and create a design for that. Another one is quite simple, the giant blue hippie tapestries. Again, this is a text-based design, but they have a garland around it, so you can also use the garlands and create the text-based designs. This one is again a photograph. You can see very well this is a photo. We're going to look on to the second product, which is quite underrated. So we're gonna probably go again and I'm gonna show you that product in a second. So that is the duet covers. The second product that is underrated is the duet covers. Duet covers, they have 71,795 search results. A little bit more higher than the tapestries, but still this particular product is underrated. You can see the different kinds of the things that are popular in the duet covers, the patterns, the movies, the superhero, music, bands, animals, sports, games, trendy. You can just see these are the popular terms, or these are the popular niches. These are the niches that are popular in the duet covers, and you can pick up a single one out of yours and can sell them well. Now this is a texture, this is looking pretty amazing because I'm a person who create more of the textures type of design, so that's why it's for me. Another one, like if you have created a sticker pack, if you're creating a sticker pack around related to any niche or a topic or a theme, you can place the different kinds of all the illustrations that you have placed in the sticker pack on the duet cover as well. You can see that this could be a sticker pack around this dinosaurs design, and the multiple different dinosaurs they have placed on the duet covers and created the pattern duet cover out of it. Again, a simple texture over here, the scenery over here, the space design. This is a text-based design, but although they have the illustrations, which is a watercolor illustrations, the textures and patterns are quite common, that are selling well on the duet covers. And you can see, guys, the price range of the duet covers is around like 119 to $128. So that means you're gonna get more artist margin by selling the duet covers rather than selling the stickers. Like you could merely make much money from the sticker selling rather than making this duet cover. So it's a high price ticket point, it's a high ticket rate offer or a high ticket product, so you can make more artist margin by selling this product. And also it's quite underrated, so you can see that you have the multiple benefit from this particular product. It has over the above 100 price point, so that means your artistic margin would be high. And also, like, you can make $3 to $4 or maybe more than that from this selling this duet covers. So that is one benefit of using this product or uploading the design on this product. The second is that this is quite underrated, and mostly the things that are selling well are the textures. Now this is the pattern, this is a floral patterns. You can create these patterns in the Canva itself, in the Photoshop patterns, or if you want to learn how to do designing for as a print-on-demand seller or even as a designer, then I have another channel where I talk a lot about how to do designing using the Photoshop and easy step-by-step methods. So I'm going to leave the channel link in the description box below. You can check that designing channel where I have made a bunch of videos talking about the designing pattern, textures and all, so you can also make it a one. So these are the simple textures. So that product is, we covered the duet cover, so we're gonna cover the jigsaw saw puzzles. Now puzzles are selling well in the case of the COVID, because people were there at the home and children love using these puzzles and they love making these stuffs out of these puzzles. So this was a kind of like a games for the children or even for the adults, like if they like a particular kind of artwork and they want to make the puzzles and they want to play and have the fun with that. It's also a common product. You can see it has only 12,453 search results. That's it. That means very less products are there in comparison to the stickers and t-shirts and the jigsaw puzzles, but they do sell well, especially in the vacation, especially in the time when the holidays are there. People buy these puzzles for their kids or even for themselves as well, to play with them, to have a fun, to relieve their mind and to relieve their pressure, stress and all. And the animals and plant designs are quite common. The textures are too quite common over here. These kind of designs, the funny nostalgia, like if you're creating a funny jokes or funny themes around a design, then you can probably upload it onto puzzles as well. And this is also that simple designs are there. Some paintings are there of any city and can place on these puzzles. And again, here is the painting, the animal. At the last product that I have for this video, which is quite underrated, which I think that I need to talk about, is the hardcover generals. I'm gonna go over to the generals and see how much products is there. So they have 84,335 search results for the hardcover general, but this is also the product that is quite underrated. Now you can see that's a simple text-based design, the white text over the black background. It's so simple and so easy. You can look at the different kinds of niches or different kinds of themes and topics that are popular in the hardcover generals, and you can pick up any one and can target over here. The simple text-based designs are popular, or the floral designs or the textures or patterns are also popular. Let me just scroll down. This is a texture that I got in this video. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and if you want more such video, consider subscribing. 4 different products. Let me know in the comment section below, are you selling these products or not, or have you utilized these products for your design? So I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel because we'll be adding more. And let me know what you think, and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.